How you can give the location access to Weather Widget on your Mac computer. So the first step is to go to your settings of your Mac like this, and in the left panel you need to find the privacy and security section. This is the place where you control some specific features including location services. So we're gonna expand it, make sure that it's generally allowed for everything, right? Or like make sure that you can even use the location services. And obviously below we have the individual apps which may or may not access it, but below my point is that weather is one of them which may have it disabled or enabled. So you need to make sure it is turned on, and then weather app can essentially access your location. So that's pretty obvious. And now at that point you can go to your desktop, right click the area with widgets, and essentially click on edit widgets. From bottom, you can see we can get the weather one in the left, and of course choose whichever size you want. So for example, I'm going to go with this one, and by default it goes with the local place the location is turned on currently. You can obviously right click on it, edit forecast, and choose something else, like not your location, but for example the different city which you want. But our point is of course to make sure that it is our location. And so again, make sure you right click and choose that to be what's showing up on the widget. So I hope it helps. Let me know what you think about this below in the comments. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you later in future uploads.